Okay, ETT 329 class in Northern Illinois University. The web application or the tool that I'm using is Kahoot. Kahoot is a very good tool for educational purposes, teaching students, the material in a fun and competitive way. I'll show it here how to quickly use it. We're going to kahoot.it, and you have to first create an account, which I have already done. Just enter in your email and your username and password. And if we want to create a site, now Kahoot, you could create quizzes, you could make jumble games, surveys. So let's just go and let's show how we would create a quiz and how it's used. So for the title, for example, we're just going to say math, and description, simple addition and subtraction. Got it? Now, just can make this visible to only myself or only you who's creating it, or everyone. We'll just make everyone right now. The language will have English. If we have any resources, any outside resources you like to cite, you'd have to put them there. And if we have any videos you like for the survey, is for the Kahoot game as well, we would enter it right there. Now we're all ready. Okay, and go. If we want to add any images, we can as well, but we could just add that for later. Now we're going to add our first question. Question 1. We'll have a 20-second time limit. We'll just 2 plus 2 equals, we'll just put a question mark there. Answer 1, we'll put 2. Answer 2, we'll put 4, which is the correct answer. Answer 3, we'll put 3. Answer 4, we'll put 9. And after we have all of that done, again, we could drop images here if we'd like. We have no other outside credit or resources. We'll hit next. Oh, something's wrong. We have to choose the correct answer, which is number 2, 4. That is the correct answer. And we'll hit next. And then we'll just add another question. We have 4 minus 1. Time starts 20 seconds. We don't need a picture. Put 3 was the correct answer. Mark it down. We'll have 2, 9, and let's see, and 8. Why not? We have no other outside resources to use. We have 3 as the correct answer chosen. Next. After that, we could hit save when we have the 2 questions done. Saved and published. Math. Now this is how the game is played. We'll hit play button. Again, this will be used for teachers to give to students. And for each question they have, the quicker you answer, let me go to full screen here. The quicker you answer, the more points that you would get. We'll just do the classic version here. Now we have to then go to kahoot.it, or we go to the Kahoot app. We'd enter the game pin in with 396044. Let's see, we can do that here. Kahoot.it. Again, our pin is 396044. We'll enter. Nickname, I'll just put my last name right there, and got it. Go. You're in. Let's see if your nickname's on the screen. There we are. And start. And 2 questions. It's loading up right now. 2 plus 2 equals question mark. The answer is 4. We hit the blue 4 here. Unfortunately, we have to wait 20 seconds for it for the time to run out. 2 and 1. There we are. Oh, for some reason it didn't save. But I obviously was trying to hit the 4 there, and you can see the blue is the correct answer. Hit next for the next question. As you see, I'm still the only person in the game right now. It's 4 minus 1, which is 3. Looks like we're having some problems here. It's not letting me actually click it, but that's okay. Wait the 10 seconds, and it's going to then pop up and say that the correct answer is 3, and that is how Kahoot works. There we are. It's great for teachers to give to students to have to learn the material better in a fun and competitive way.